Hey, it's Mike here. So you've just received your Steelcase Amia office chair. I'd love to show you how to get it unboxed and assembled. Let's get started. All right, folks, so I'm going to open up the box carefully. We'll have a top layer of packaging, so we'll go ahead and remove that. Alrighty, we will grab the wheelbase first. Next up, I see we have the seat. All right, now we're gonna grab the frame of the chair, the bulk, the meat of it. We're gonna grab it by the frame at the bottom and lift up carefully, a little bit heavy. Alrighty, next we're gonna find the casters and the cylinder down at the bottom of the box. We'll set that off to the side. And also on the side, I'll grab the assembly instructions right there for you. Like and subscribe! Alrighty, so the first step in assembly of the Steelcase Amia chair is to put the casters onto the wheelbase. So I'll go ahead and open up my casters and insert them in here. And just a little downward pressure is all you need. And we'll get that last one on. All right, next step is to flip it on over. Alrighty, we're gonna insert the cylinder into the wheelbase. We're gonna remove the bottom cap. Like so. Remove the top cover and just set it down right in the base. Okay, now that we have that done, we're gonna set the wheelbase with the cylinder on the floor. All right, so now we're gonna put the frame onto the wheelbase with the cylinder. I'm gonna step around behind it and grab it from underneath. What you wanna do is line up the middle of the frame right onto the cylinder. You'll see the hole right through the middle of the frame that goes right onto the cylinder. Just like so. And you're all set. Okay, so I'll remove the bag, get that set for you. All right, we'll bring it over to the chair. And what you want to do is line up these glides right here to the spacers on the seat. And we'll just slide it on there, set it in place. Slide it in, grab the seat depth lever, push the seat on, and it should lock in place. And your seat is fully assembled. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch our video. If you have any questions on how to assemble your Steelcase Amia office chair, feel free to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. I can't breathe.
Are you okay?
No, I'm good. That was too much.
Is it?
I've just received your brand. Hey, I don't know, this is bad. This is tough. It's different. This is different. This is gonna be tough.
Yeah.
This is tough.
Slow it down.
This is tough.
Yep.
That was so close.
It was close.
Hey guys, Mike here. How you doing? Hey, it's Mike.
Sorry.
Hey, I'm Mike. You're an asshole. Too much